How to animate your photos in Picsart. Want to bring your static photos to life? Let's animate them in Picsart. First, open your image and go to the animation or motion section under tools or effects. Select an animation style such as zoom, pan, swing, or pulse. You'll see a live preview. Adjust the speed, direction, and looping style as needed. To animate text or stickers separately, apply them first and use individual animation controls for those layers. Once everything's set, click export and save it as an MP4 or GIF format. What kind of animation would you try first? Subtle movement or dramatic zooms? Let me know in the comments below. Keep your background simple so your animated elements really stand out. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.